Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be changing the tail lights on a 2021 Toyota Tacoma. Something pretty easy, but hopefully if anyone is curious about how it works, we're going to get it done real quick. So let's get to it. All right, to start out, all we're going to really need is a ratchet, 10 millimeter socket, and some extra bulbs. Specifically, we're replacing the reverse lights. We're going to start out with taking out this bolt and the bolt at the very bottom. Okay, so I was struggling with this for a second. I had to turn the camera off, figure it out. Just kind of a little pry bar in the back action. These pins look to be going kind of straight in there, so they do take a little bit of force to kind of pull out. I'm going to do this again on this side. There we go. Sheesh. Okay, for this repair, we are looking at the bottom tail lights, or the reverse light. It's going to be this clear light right here. Should be as simple as unclipping this. Here we go. It just spins and comes out just like that. Okay, just that simple. That goes back in. That's gonna get twisted. Then we throw it back in. We should be good to go. These will, this guy kind of back where it needs to be. Have to throw our bolts back in. And just as easy, we are going to just repeat the process on the other side, of course. Okay, same exact deal. These are kind of in here kind of tight. We're going to go ahead and just kind of use a little bit of leverage here. A little bit of leverage here, try to break her free. There we go. And they're out. So this is going to be, that's going to be your fastener. And it's just kind of held in there. That. Pop that open. Super easy. Open that up. All right. That's going to go back in there. All right. Let's go. That one's in there. There we go. Bolts back in. Just like that. Thanks for watching the video. Another one in the books. Easy maintenance one today, but all this stuff is going on at the farm at all times. So thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.